Some motorcycles are cheap for a reason, others stay on the road for decades without draining your wallet. Today, we're looking at 7 budget bikes that riders still trust in 2026 because they're simple, reliable, comfortable, and built to last far longer than most people expect. Number 7. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X proves that you don't need a huge engine or expensive technology to own a motorcycle that lasts for years. This lightweight standard bike uses a simple 249 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that's known for being incredibly dependable, easy to maintain, and friendly for everyday riders. It's the kind of motorcycle that starts every morning without drama and keeps running with very little effort. One of the biggest reasons riders still appreciate the TU250X in 2026 is its excellent fuel economy and lightweight feel on the used motorcycle market. At around 326 pounds, it feels unintimidating even for beginners, while the upright riding position keeps things comfortable during city rides and relaxed weekend cruising. You immediately notice how smooth and manageable this motorcycle feels in traffic. The retro styling also gives it timeless appeal. It doesn't try too hard, and that simplicity is exactly why so many owners keep them for years. Parts are affordable, maintenance costs stay low, and the air-cooled engine has earned a reputation for long-term durability. This is the kind of budget bike that quietly saves riders thousands of dollars over time while still making every ride enjoyable. Even older riders appreciate how stress-free the TU250X feels compared to heavier and more complicated motorcycles. For many people, this bike becomes a long-term companion rather than something they constantly want to replace. Number 6. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is one of those cruisers that continues to surprise riders with how much motorcycle you get for the money. Powered by a smooth 903cc V-twin engine, it delivers strong low-end torque and relaxed highway performance without feeling overly aggressive or difficult to control. It's a motorcycle designed for comfort, reliability, and long-distance confidence. One reason the Vulcan 900 remains so respected in 2026 is its balance between size and usability. The low seat height gives riders a secure feeling at stops, while the relaxed ergonomics make longer rides far less tiring than many budget cruisers. You can spend hours in the saddle without constantly shifting around trying to get comfortable. Kawasaki also built this motorcycle with durability in mind. The liquid-cooled engine has proven itself over many years, and owners regularly praise how dependable the bike remains even after high mileage. Maintenance stays relatively simple, and parts availability is excellent almost everywhere. This is the type of cruiser that feels much more expensive than it actually is. It has classic styling, smooth road manners, and the kind of reliability that keeps riders loyal for decades. For riders who want a comfortable budget cruiser that can genuinely go the distance, the Vulcan 900 still makes a very smart choice. It also has enough highway presence to feel stable and confident, even during longer touring rides. Many owners buy the Vulcan 900 expecting an entry-level cruiser, then end up keeping it for years because it simply does everything well. Number 5. Honda Shadow Aero. The Honda Shadow Aero has built one of the strongest reliability reputations in the cruiser world, and in 2026 it still remains one of the smartest budget-friendly motorcycles you can buy. Its 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine is smooth, predictable, and designed for riders who care more about long-term dependability than flashy performance numbers. What makes the Shadow Aero so appealing is how easy it is to live with. The low seat height and relaxed riding position give riders immediate confidence, especially during slow-speed riding and daily commuting. At the same time, the bike feels stable and comfortable enough for longer weekend trips. This is the kind of motorcycle that encourages you to ride more often, because everything feels natural and stress-free. Honda's reputation for durability plays a huge role here. Owners regularly report extremely high mileage with minimal issues, and maintenance costs stay surprisingly reasonable for a mid-size cruiser. The shaft drive system is another major advantage because it reduces maintenance compared to traditional chain-driven motorcycles. The classic styling also helps the Shadow Aero age gracefully. Even after years of ownership, it still looks timeless and respectable on the road. For riders searching for a cruiser that simply refuses to quit, the Shadow Aero continues to be one of the safest budget choices available today. Number 4. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 has become one of the most trusted budget motorcycles of the modern era, and it's easy to understand why. Powered by a reliable 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, the Rebel delivers smooth power, predictable acceleration, and excellent fuel economy without overwhelming newer riders. It feels approachable from the very first ride. One of the biggest strengths of the Rebel 500 is its lightweight and low seat height. At under 420 pounds, it feels easy to maneuver in traffic, parking lots, and tight city streets. Riders immediately notice how confidence-inspiring this motorcycle feels, especially compared to larger cruisers that can feel heavy and intimidating. Honda also did an excellent job balancing simplicity with modern quality. The liquid-cooled engine is known for long-term reliability, and maintenance costs remain low even after years of ownership. Many riders use the Rebel as both a daily commuter and a weekend cruiser because it handles both jobs effortlessly. Its minimalist styling has also aged extremely well. The bike looks modern, clean, and timeless without trying too hard to impress anyone. For riders who want a budget motorcycle that's easy to own, easy to ride, and built to last, the Rebel 500 continues to stand out as one of the smartest purchases in 2026. It's also one of those rare motorcycles that works equally well for beginners and experienced riders alike. The Rebel 500 proves that you don't need a massive engine or expensive features to enjoy years of dependable riding. Number 3. Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 has quietly earned a reputation as one of the most dependable cruisers in the budget motorcycle world. Its 805 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers smooth, relaxed power that feels perfect for everyday cruising, highway rides, and long weekends on the road. It's not trying to be the fastest bike in the class, and honestly, that's part of its charm. What riders appreciate most about the Boulevard C50 is its comfort. The seating position feels relaxed from the moment you sit down, and the bike remains surprisingly smooth even during longer rides. The large fuel tank also gives it solid touring range, which makes it practical for riders who enjoy spending full days on the road without constantly searching for gas stations. Suzuki built this motorcycle with long-term durability in mind. The liquid-cooled engine has proven itself over many years, and owners consistently praise how reliable and low-stress the ownership experience feels. Maintenance costs stay reasonable, and the bike's simple design helps reduce unnecessary complications. The classic cruiser styling also gives the C50 timeless appeal. It looks like a traditional cruiser should, with plenty of chrome and a comfortable road presence that never feels outdated. This is the type of motorcycle that may not grab headlines, but it continues to earn loyal riders year after year because it simply works. For riders who value comfort, reliability, and true long-term value, the Boulevard C50 remains an incredibly smart budget cruiser in 2026. Number 2. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has been one of the smartest motorcycle purchases for years, and in 2026 it still delivers incredible value for riders who want performance, reliability, and everyday practicality in one affordable package. Its 645 cubic centimeters V-twin engine is the heart of the bike, offering smooth low-end torque, strong mid-range power, and a riding experience that feels exciting without becoming overwhelming. What makes the SV650 special is how versatile it is. It feels comfortable during daily commuting, agile in city traffic, and surprisingly fun on twisty roads. At the same time, the lightweight chassis helps the bike feel manageable for newer riders, while still keeping experienced riders entertained. This is the kind of motorcycle that adapts to almost any riding style. The reliability reputation of the SV650 is another major reason it remains so popular. Riders regularly put huge mileage on these bikes with very few serious issues, and maintenance costs stay relatively affordable. The fuel economy is also excellent for a middleweight motorcycle, helping owners save money long after the purchase. Its simple design is another advantage. Suzuki focused on building a motorcycle that works well in the real world rather than loading it with unnecessary complexity. For many riders, the SV650 becomes the perfect long-term motorcycle because it never feels boring, outdated, or difficult to own. Number 1. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 takes the number 1 spot because few motorcycles have earned a stronger reputation for long-term reliability and real-world value. Powered by a proven 745 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, the Shadow delivers smooth, predictable performance that feels relaxed, comfortable, and dependable every single time you ride it. This is a motorcycle built for people who want peace of mind more than unnecessary complexity. One of the biggest reasons riders continue trusting the Shadow 750 in 2026 is its incredible durability. These motorcycles are known for lasting well beyond 100,000 miles when properly maintained, and many owners keep them for decades. The engine feels smooth at lower speeds, comfortable on highways, and forgiving enough for both beginners and older riders returning to motorcycling. The low seat height and relaxed ergonomics make the bike feel approachable immediately, while the shaft drive system reduces maintenance and ownership stress over time. That combination of comfort and simplicity is exactly why the Shadow 750 continues to attract such loyal riders around the world. Honda also kept the styling timeless. The bike still looks classic and respectable without needing oversized technology screens or flashy gimmicks to stay relevant. This is the kind of motorcycle that proves reliability never goes out of style. For riders looking to stop wasting money on unreliable machines, the Honda Shadow 750 remains one of the smartest budget bikes ever built. Ride safe, keep enjoying the road, and subscribe for more motorcycle content made for real riders.